Tired of running out of hot water during showers or chores? Here are the 5 best tankless gas water heaters I found, and one you should definitely avoid.
Product number 1, Nexa Instant Hot Water Heater. Let's kick things off with the Nexa 14L Instant Hot Water Heater. Priced at $169.98, this unit caught my attention with its impressive 95,540 BTU input that delivers hot water on demand at a rate of 3.7 gallons per minute. If you want instant hot water without the wait, this is worth a serious look. So why does this matter for you? Well, with no preheating required, you can enjoy hot water for showers or cleaning tasks within seconds. Imagine stepping into the shower and having the perfect temperature right away. Its digital temperature control and automatic overheat warning are particularly great for families with kids, ensuring safety while providing comfort. Plus, the overheat protection and gas leak detection systems keep you safe from potential hazards. Now, here's the thing. Some users complained about the complexity of the indoor installation as it needs to be done by a professional due to the gas connections. This might be a deal breaker for some, especially if you want a quick DIY solution. However, if you're okay with calling in a pro, the safety features definitely justify the investment. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, reliable tankless water heater for a small home or apartment. Skip this one though if you want a unit that can handle multiple high-demand hot water points at once. Now, if the installation complexity of the Nexa bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with its user-friendly features. Product number 2, the Navien On-Demand Water Heater, priced at $269.99. What stood out to me was its ability to deliver up to 4.3 gallons per minute with a powerful 100,000 BTU output. If you want a reliable hot water solution for multiple faucets running simultaneously, this one is worth considering. Here's why this matters for you. With its high flow rate, you can comfortably run a shower, kitchen faucet, and bathroom sink all at the same time without any noticeable temperature drop. That's huge for busy mornings when everyone's trying to get ready. The precise temperature control, adjustable from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, means you'll have consistent hot water that's safe for everyone, especially kids. On the downside, some users mentioned that the unit can be a bit bulky compared to traditional tank units. While it does save on energy bills, if you're tight on space, that could be an issue. Still, given the efficiency and overall performance, I think it's a worthwhile trade-off for families. This is perfect for you if you have a larger family or multiple hot water needs. Skip it if you have limited space, as it can take up a good amount of room, but for the value it provides, it's a solid option. Alright, that was a solid choice, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for a high-capacity unit. Product number 3, the APUS High Capacity Water Heater. Let's check out the APUS Tankless Water Heater, coming in at $289.99. This one delivers a remarkable 4.42 gallons per minute with a heating capacity of 95,000 BTUs. If you need a unit that can handle high demand without breaking a sweat, this is a strong contender. What makes it stand out? The APUS features innovative low-flow start technology, meaning it's efficient even with lower demand. It adjusts water temperature with precision, keeping it stable within plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. You won't have to worry about sudden hot or cold bursts while showering, which is a common headache with lesser models. Plus, with over 85% thermal efficiency, you're going to save on your energy bills. However, one criticism I saw was that it can be sensitive to temperature fluctuations in colder climates, requiring additional precautions to prevent freezing. But if you live in a milder climate or don't mind some extra care, it's an awesome buy. This is ideal for you if you have multiple showers or appliances running at the same time. Skip this if you're in a very cold area and not prepared to winterize it. For the performance it offers, it's worth the investment. Now, if you're looking for something even more powerful, wait until you hear about our next pick. Product number 4, the Rinnai Natural Gas Water Heater. We have the Rinnai Natural Gas Tankless Water Heater, priced at $298.99. This unit can deliver 3.6 gallons per minute with an 80,000 BTU output. If you're looking for a balance of affordability and capability, this could be the one for you. What's great about the Rinnai is its double heating chamber, which boosts efficiency and provides stable temperatures for multiple uses. It's designed to be quieter and safer, which is a nice bonus. The temperature range is adjustable from 95 degrees Fahrenheit to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, so it's safe for kids and the elderly, making it a family-friendly choice. That said, some users found the initial setup challenging, especially if they weren't experienced. But honestly, once it's set up, it works like a dream, delivering consistent hot water on demand without the long wait. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget but still want reliable hot water for a small to medium household. Skip it if you want something that can handle a very high demand all at once. For its price, it's a great deal. Now, if you want the absolute best for larger homes, the rheem might just be what you need. Product number 5, rheem RTG 84XLN-3. And it's a bit of a splurge at $860.75. What caught my attention is its impressive 8.4 gallons per minute flow rate, powered by 180,000 BTUs. If you have a big household with multiple hot water needs, this is where you want to look. This high-efficiency tankless water heater ensures you'll never run out of hot water, even during peak times. The Hot Start programming feature is fantastic, as it prevents cold water bursts between uses, which is a common frustration. With a durable design suited for outdoor installation, it's built to last and perform. On the flip side, the higher price tag might give some pause, but if you consider the performance and reliability it offers, especially for larger families, the investment pays off in comfort and peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you have a big family or a high demand for hot water. Skip this if you're looking for something affordable or if space is an issue, as it's designed for outdoor setups. But for those who need reliable, heavy-duty performance, it's worth every penny. So there you have it, the top 5 tankless gas water heaters. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the rheem RTG 84XLN-3 because it offers the best performance for large households. The Nexa is one to avoid since it requires professional installation and isn't ideal for high-demand situations. I've put all the links in the description below. Check them out and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.